Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to share a post to your Instagram story with a caption. A caption offers the perfect way to give your story a personal touch. The process is the same as just sharing a post to your Instagram story. Expect a couple more steps get added. First step is open your Instagram app and locate the post you would like to share. Tap on the paper airplane button appear below the post. Tap on Add Post to your story to upload the post from the customizable stickers. Tap on the text icon at the top of the window. Proceed to create your caption. Once you are done typing, tap on your story to post it. You can also add stickers and other customized details using the different option in the same menu at the top of the screen.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.